Alright, this is a review video of Combobox created with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now if you search something if you search something which is in the list, it will show off as a suggestion. So if I type cardio, you'll see cardio shows up. So if I click on this X, all of the list item is getting populated. The same way, if I type something which is not in the list, you'll get an error along with this animation, and the input field changes its color to red, and there is no data found shows up. So if I click along with the, you can see there is an icon called error. Now if I click on this X, all of them getting pre-populated again. So if I type something, you can see which is on the list, the animation is applied, which is scale Y. So I have left the source code in the description. Now let me just show you how to use this. So you can see this is the input field, and it is inside the container. Along with the input field, we have three different icons. Just after the input field, we have the list item, and then just after the list item, we have the error message. So the key of event is fired once I type something on the input field. Get the source code in the description.